Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Mars and Gemini. And people with Mars and Gemini will pursue communication. They will want their messages to be heard by people. They can be an aggressive manager that clearly states what they need to have done, and they can be very straightforward. They're also great multitaskers and can be very busy. But sometimes when they're multitasking, they're not the best at following through on things. Um, they can have a lot happen and a lot going on in their head, and they can be more angry, like more verbally aggressive. They're able to let things go, and they're also very changeable and adaptable. Mars and Gemini can have so much going on that they can overdo it and feel very like stretched to their limits. They can have the pressure to do more than can get done, and it's really important that they take time, to pause and take a breath and relax. They have the potential to get really excited. They can start a lot of things at once. They can be very motivated and very curious, and they can also lose interest in what they're doing and not necessarily follow through. They often get really excited about new ideas, and they also have the potential to have to use harsh language when they're debating with people. And that is my analysis of Mars and Gemini.